Hey guys, this is the Crypto Homie. I'm starting a new YouTube channel, seeing how things go. Just want to document my journey with crypto. Crypto has been interesting rides, ups and downs, especially if you've been in since like the last cycle. So today the cycle, we're looking at 9800-ish, not 9700-ish. We're holding there. If we don't hold that, we could go a little bit lower, but like the long-term perspective, we should be breaking 10.5 soon, and then our next major resistance 14. Today, I just want to talk about the whole like big picture of the crypto cycles. How it seems like there's a 4 year cycle, give and take. It's not always going to work out exactly like that. But days like today is a great buying opportunity. I just want to see like how long have you guys been into crypto, and what content are you guys looking for? Well, like on YouTube, is there something that's not there right now that I could fill the niche for? But I just want to document like my own personal one. I've been into crypto. It's been a little over 2 years, so I got in, around 20K, like everybody else did, and one of the few that stuck around the dollar cost average the rest of the way. And it's been a fun journey up and down. Um, Bought a lot of altcoins, jumped into the whole mania, made a lot of money, but it was all in paper, so I didn't actually sell like an idiot. But I think most of us did that because we were just inexperienced with markets. It's my first time trading or anything. And well, today, like I said, great day, 9,800, great buying opportunity. Because it looks like, looking at the chart right now, if you look at the monthly chart, it looks like there's a lot of resistance at 10.5. This 10K or 10, but mainly 10.5. Once we break that, that'll be our support. And the next level of resistance looks like right around 14,000, 13.9, somewhere in that range, 13.8 to 14,000. Once we break that, because that's going to be some major resistance. Once we break that, we should be heading to 20K. And well, I don't think I have to say it, but once we break 20K, to the moon we shall go. But no, for real though, once we break 20K, 20K will become support, and then we should be making all-time highs. I'm sure everybody's heard, $1 million, 200,000, whatever. I think to be conservatively, what's that word, like just being conservative, like 50K should happen, because we have 55,000, about $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. So that'll be great. I know I like some of the altcoins, like the top five mainly. You got Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, BNB. BNB's been crazy the way it went up in the bear market. But I personally think, for the record, that we're out of the bear market, and we're just starting the new cycle. Can't wait. I'm sure many of you can't wait either. And then regarding the halvening that's coming up in May, we got about like 89 days, 90 days, depends on all those factors, the hash rate and all that stuff. But it just seems like the miners are going to be losing a lot of money. It's not going to be profitable. And if we look at the Bitcoin halvening history, it seems like at the actual halvening, we don't actually go up. We might actually fall. We're having some great volatility months prior, which we have seen before. And for the record, we only have two halvenings to really compare it to. So how are we supposed to say this is accurate, that's not accurate? The first halvening, like we went up before it. And the second halvening, we also went up a little bit, but it's always after. Look at it like 6 months, 6 to 12 months, maybe 18 months. But see, everything's different now. I mean, you got like traditional finance in there. You got like the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. I mean, people can start buying them with 401ks. The ETH. I mean, the ETH Grayscale. That thing's been going crazy like lately. I couldn't believe it. I was down so much, but I mean, now it's at like $90, $100, somewhere in that range. That's like, I think that's just the beginning, because it came off IPO or whatever they call it at like 600. I mean, that's I think it's gonna go well past that, but that's not financial advice, my personal opinion only. And yeah, I mean, I think this happening is gonna be it's gonna be great. We'll see 6 months later. I think end of the year, 20K is possible, or at least pushing 20K. We might not be there, but I've been in this journey, like I said, since it's like the end of 2017, and I knew nothing about investments. And it just seems like I was like, why do I think 2 years later? Like I thought 2 years later we hit a new all-time high. Like so, just FOMOing into everything, just following the emotions of the market. But if you look at it, it's about every 4 years. About every 4 years. So I mean, if that's the case, obviously not down to the like month or whatever, but I mean, estimated December 2021 should be the next, all-time high if you want to call it. I mean, it might, it could be like the first quarter of 22, or the third quarter of 21, or maybe even happens this year. Like we don't know, but I think we're out of it. Like I said, once we break 20K, we should be off to the races. But I just want to document this journey, see how things go. I feel like today's, like I said, I probably said this before, great day to buy stuff up. I don't know if you guys are into like Ethereum, XRP. I know I mess with some of the random altcoins like Dragon Chain and like that blue token or whatever the hell it's called. Um, the hex been a big game theory, was interesting, but it might be a scam. Like who knows? There seems to be like a lot of like the sentiment right now. We're growing towards getting overly greedy. We're not quite there yet, from what I can tell, but everything seems to be doing good. I just saw something that said about Bitcoin going to 3K. I mean, I guess it's possible, but what are the odds? But something to keep in mind as the prices keep going up. We just got to watch out for scams and try to inform other people of them, because it's so easy to fall for them. So easy, especially when you're first into crypto. You don't know what's true and what's not. Because I know like when I got into crypto, I spent a good week just reading all this stuff, finding like half it was false. Yeah, no, because there's not that many people in person that you can meet, and especially if you're not like in Silicon Valley or like New York City, or it's just something where it's like everybody knows this stuff. But like even then, not everybody, but at least there's more like-minded people. Um, yeah, so just be safe. I don't know if we have any XRP fans, Ethereum fans. I know there's a lot of stuff between XRP, Bitcoin, all that, the hate and all that good stuff. But I think at the end of the day, both sides just want crypto to be like successful, not, like basically get rid of all this bank stuff, all this third party stuff, just no middleman. Get rid of all that. I'm sure Bitcoin, they'll work something out. Maybe it'll be a store of value, maybe it'll be a currency. I don't know. And nobody really knows. I mean, we all have these strong opinions. But at the end of the day, we just want crypto to work out. I mean, we're only at like what, under 300K market cap. I mean, 300 billion market cap. That's silly. It's so low. Like nothing comes even close to that. Gold's what, 7.1, something like that. Come on, gold. Like if we get a total market cap of $7.1 trillion, if you're invested, you're gonna be patting yourself on the back. It's gonna be a good day. Well, guys, that's my little rant for today. The Crypto Homie is out. Have a great rest of your day.